Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review. And today we're looking at the Master USA. This is the new, well, at the time of this video, this is the newer one that is just launched by them. It's actually a really neat looking knife. It is an all plastic knife. Got your little fire department logo right there. Nice red grooved pattern right there on the back. You do have a, which seems like a beefy belt clip, but it is easy for me to get my hand back there and pop it, which is a good thing, so that way it might not fray your pocket as much. Right up here, the belt clip does sit super high, so this thing will go in your pocket all the way down, which I really like that aspect of it. Right here you have your seatbelt cutter, your glass breaker right back here. It's actually got a nice little point to it. The grip on it, if you were to, make sure you go blade in palm, because your grip this way is not going to be near as good. And, guys, if you had to, bam! Yeah, this is a pretty good feel to it. I would worry about it being plastic like that. It might just fall apart. But maybe not. If you had to get out, I'm sure you could get out. But, guys, let's go ahead. No thumb studs on this knife, even though they have the groove cut out for it, which I don't think you can. Yeah, there's no way. But you do have a nice trigger right there on it. So, boom. You know what? That thing threw that blade up there pretty good. Let's go ahead, since I just did it. Single hand deployment. Single hand close. Bam. Not too bad at all, guys. Boom. Now, let's take a look at that blade. You know, this is actually pretty cool. That's actually all stainless steel. This isn't any plastic, but they have cut it out in a checkered pattern almost. Gives it a nice look. Standard drop point blade, large belly with your Master USA logo right there. Got your standard liner lock. Boom. That's actually not bad, guys, with the grooved handles. So, right up here, you've got your thumb grooves, which are actually incorporated into the blade. And it's a thumb ramp. So, if you had to grab it, boom, your finger's going to be able to pause. You'll be able to get control of your knife. You do have a little bit of a choil area right there, but be careful because that blade's going to be there. So if you're trying to get more control, just be careful and watch that blade, or it will cut your finger right there. Grooved out handle right there. Boom. Defensive position. You're good to go there. And guys, that's it. Just a simple little knife, but a cool looking knife by Master USA. The numbers are MUA 069RD. Wow, that's a long one. I guess they've got a lot of them now. But anyway, guys, hope the review helped, and I will see y'all in the next one.